造在山上的城是我们这次的主题。
So again, we make the theme "Sitting on a Hill" for this conference.
耶稣说，城造在山上是不能隐藏的。
And Jesus says, "The city that is set upon a hill cannot be hidden."
所以今天弟兄姊妹，所有的人都在看我们。
So, brother and sister, everybody's watching
我们
us.
成了一台戏，天使在看，世界上的人都在看。
We are display for the world to see. The angels are watching. The men of this world, they are watching.
现在关键是在山上的这座城，到底是一个毁坏的城，还是一个满有荣耀的城
The？ criticality is the city that's set upon a hill. Is it in ruins or is it in glory?
所以耶稣说，城造到山上不能隐藏的，人点灯是要放在灯台上，不是放在斗底下。
And God says the city set upon a hill cannot be hidden. A lamp is lit so that it can be displayed and not be hidden under a bushel.
所以弟兄姊妹，基督徒的见证要被人看得见的。
The testimony in the life of a Christian needs to be visible.
我们要对我们所处的世代发生该有的影响力。
And we need to have influence in our time and our generation.
底下的这个图是在2018年我放给弟兄姊妹看过的。
In 2018, the picture on the screen is what I showed you.
他们说，从英国伦敦，从公元2000年开始。
About 2,000 years ago, right in London.
10几年里面，伦敦少了500家教会。
Within 10 years, London has lost 500 some odd churches.
很多的教会不是变成酒吧，变成 social place， 就是像这样子一样，变成清真寺。
Churches have become either a place of gathering, a bar, or they've become a mosque.
我特别用了2个箭头，你有没有看到教堂上面有2个绿的圆顶？
And particularly on this church, there are these 2 green domes.
还是敬拜的地方，
It is still a place of worship,
变成回教敬拜的地方。
but it has become a place of worship for Muslims.
同一个时间，教会少了500家，但是清真寺多了423家。
And the churches in London, 500 some odd churches disappeared, and the mosque has appeared 420 some odd places.
我跟于师母2018年到爱尔兰，因为他做他博士论文，我们去收集一些教会历史的资料。
2018, Pastor Nancy and I, we went to Ireland. We were doing some research for her study.
我们在那里，我曾经放给大家照片，我今天没有空看了哈。教堂讲台变成造 whisky 的蒸馏器。
And the church and the pulpit has become a distiller, the place where liquor is being made.
整个教会卖给造酒厂。
And the entire church has been and sold to a liquor manufacturer.
刚才多少弟兄姊妹，我们站在这里敬拜神。
There's so many brothers and sisters you saw vividly standing up here worshiping God.
他们的讲台在造酒，
And yet those same places they're making
底下的
liquor.
拉比在卖酒。
And the rabbis they're selling liquor.
弟兄姊妹，今天的教会到哪里去了？
Brother and sister, where is the church today?
你再看下一个图，
Let's take a look at the next
这
picture.
是在伦敦的东区，
And this is in the east side of London.
那个 St. Mary Church 圣玛丽教会，
It is the St. Mary's Church.
他们可以容纳2000个人的教堂。
It is the churches can hold 2,000 attendants.
我算了一下，除了在讲台讲到的，底下只有17个人。
And I counted total, including the people on the pulpit, there are 17 people.
可以2000个人，只坐17个人。
This whole place can withhold an occupancy of 2,000, but there's only 17 people.
就在这个教堂旁边不远的地方，有一个回教的清真寺，只能够容许100个人。
And right next to this building, there's a mosque that can only withhold about 100 attendees.
这是他们礼拜5中午的祷告会，
And this is their prayer meeting at noon.
他们满到一个地步，出来在马路上跪在那里祷
The
告。
place was so full that they couldn't hold any more people. People were kneeling down outside praying.
在东伦敦的 Cable Street 上面造出来的。
And this is on the Campbell Street, right in East London.
弟兄姊妹，今天我们要讲说，明明我们拥有真的福音，
And brother and sister, we are declaring that we have the true gospel.
但是我们到哪里去了？我们发光了吗？我们能够把人带到主面前吗？
Where did we go? Are we shining? Are we bringing people to the Lord?
多少的灯被放在斗底下？
So many of these lamps is hidden under a bushel.
多少的城放在山上，它毁坏了。
So many of these cities that is on a hill, but it is in ruins.
我们听到多少福音朋友说，如果你们是基督徒，我们不要信。
And we hear a lot of people that says, well, if this is what Christianity looks like, I don't want to believe it.
看看你们基督徒， 分了又分，分了又分。
Look at you Christians. You divide and you divide and you divide.
弟兄姊妹，我讲这些信息，我们里面是痛苦的，不是在责备。
Brother and sister, when I speak of these words, I am in pain. I am not ridiculing.
所以弟兄姊妹要兴起发光，这不是口号。
Brother and sister, to rise and to shine. This is not just a slogan.